In this guide, I'll show you how to turn off or disable two-factor authentication on your Fortnite account. First, open a web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Epic Games Login and hit search. From the results, click on the option to sign in to your Epic Games account. Once the login page opens, sign in using your email and password, or choose one of the available platform login options. After signing in, you'll be taken to your account settings. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Password and Security. Here, you'll find the two-factor authentication section along with the methods currently enabled. To disable it, click the three dots next to the active method and select Remove. A confirmation message will appear, warning that your account will be less secure. Confirm by clicking Remove. If you ever want to enable two-factor authentication again or switch to a different method, you can do so from the same section. Hope this guide helped.